Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So we have lots to chat about in today's video. We're going to be taking a look at one of the unusual things that's happening in the energies right now. This is something that it's a good idea for us to be aware of it so it doesn't kind of catch us off guard. But before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that. Now, as y'all know, we have been moving through ever increasing energies. And over the past 2 months or so, we've really been getting squeezed. It's like we are being squeezed through a tube of toothpaste. So we've been really kind of feeling the pressure in our bodies. We've been seeing a lot of that old stuff popping up that we thought we were done with. And these energies have really just been testing us. So the good thing about this kind of period of pressure we've been under is we're starting to move out of it. So the energies are starting to get a little lighter. We're starting to feel like we can breathe again. But there is something kind of unusual that's happening in these energies. A lot of us, especially if you are a starseed, which just means you're someone with more galactic energy than the average human. So when we talk about starseeds, we're just talking about people that have a little different energetic set point than the rest of humanity. But one of the things that we're going to be noticing in the current energies is that a lot of us are moving into hermit mode. Now, this is going to look differently for everyone, but for a lot of us, a lot of light workers and starseeds, we're going to be pulled by our higher self to isolate a bit. Now, that doesn't mean you're not going to leave your house, but what it means is that a lot of us are seeing that we're starting to just gently pull back from mingling in the 3D world. And this may be super subtle, where you're not running around as much when you don't have to. You're letting go of some of those kind of social obligations that we all have. It can be very gentle and gradual, or it can be that you're getting a very strong inner pull to really step back. So this can mean pulling back from people who aren't supportive, people who are just on a very different spiritual path than you are. It can mean we're pulling back from sources of information. A lot of us are starting to feel the pull to get off of social media, or we are putting down the news, the platforms of information that so many of us are so addicted to. We're feeling very strongly that now is not the time for that. So this is going to look differently for everyone, but most of us, especially if you are a starseed who is a transmuter or an anchor, this is probably going to be getting pretty loud for you. So there's a couple reasons why this is happening. One is we're starting to be pulled into the next phase of our soul mission. So if you are someone who is here as an anchor, and if you don't know what an anchor is, I'll link some videos at the top of the screen. We've talked about that at length in past videos, so I'm not going to drag y'all through that again. But if you are someone who's here as an anchor, kind of your sole job or your sole mission is to keep a clean channel. So one of the things that's happening to anchors and transmuters is they're being pulled back a little bit from being out in the collective chaos, because it's really important right now for starseeds to be protecting our frequency. So that may mean not being around with a lot of people who drain your energy. It may mean that you're putting down your phone, you're turning off the TV. It may mean that you're being called to spend more time in nature, to reconnect with your frequency, to keep your frequency clean. Because the more we are playing around in the lower timelines, which is just where we end up when we go out in the mainstream world, you're around a lot of chaotic energy. And so a lot of us are being pulled in these energies into hermit mode to do a little bit of self-care, to stay out of the information sources that are designed to keep us in low vibration. Well, we can't be doing that and holding a high frequency. They don't go together. So if you are a light worker and a starseed and you're feeling the urge to just pull back a bit, or you may be someone whose higher self is pulling them back a lot, where you are just not doing anything that is out of alignment with you. There's a reason for that. This is necessary for where we are in our soul missions right now, where the most important thing is the frequency we are holding. And the more we're out there among more unstable energies, more we're out there around the mainstream energies and all the fear stories, all the chaos stories, all the anger stories, we can't do our job because we're going to be matching those lower vibrational timelines. Now, as y'all know, I say this all the time in my videos, whenever we talk about differences in vibration, I'm not talking about this from the perspective of judgment. No timeline or person is any better or worse than any other. We are talking about energetic differences, being on different radio stations. So the more we're out there around lower vibrational energies, whether that's people, information platforms, activities, whatever it is, if the frequency is lower, then as a starseed and lightworker, we can't hold our high vibration as easily. So we are going through and will be for the next several months a period where a lot of us are being called to pull back. Could be a little, it could be a lot. But the reason for that is we're being called to protect our frequency. We can't lift up the collective if we're matching the collective energy. So one of the best ways for us to be of service as lightworkers and starseeds is to protect our frequency. When we lose our frequency, when we get sucked into all the stories, when we get sucked into the anger and the fear, we can't be of service. And right now we are being called to the highest level of service. So this is something that a lot of us are going to experience in the next 3 to 6 months is we're pulling back. Anything that is not high vibrational, we are gently and without judgment letting go of. So we don't want to beat ourselves up when we feel this, because a lot of us, we get in the mind when we feel ourselves kind of pulling back, being a little hermity, and we don't want to let the ego mind tell us we're being antisocial. Why aren't you out doing more things, right? The ego is going to want to play with us a little bit. But knowing that this is a very important part of where we are in our soul mission can help us go through this protection stage where we're protecting our frequency without getting into all that mind judgment. So prepare to see this in some form or fashion in your life as our higher self starts to kind of strongly encourage us to get out of the noise, out of the chaos of the lower timelines, which are getting very turbulent, getting very chaotic, as you may have noticed. So very important for us to be aware that we are moving into this period and that there's an important soul purpose for being a little hermity right now. So that is what I've got for you in today's POV. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done it. And if you want to learn more about all these amazing techniques that the Pleiadians share with you in these videos, click the link in the description to work with me one-on-one. I'll see you next time. Bye, hermits.